Welcome back. Now, one kind of email that you're going to send is going to be an automated email based on your subscriber becoming part of your email marketing list as well as the passage of time. Inside of Aweber, these particular kind of emails are called follow-ups. In email service provider GetResponse, they're called autoresponders. In MailChimp, they're called automated campaigns. Now we're going to go through the process within MailChimp. However, you can replicate this process in any email service provider. So what we're going to do is create a campaign. That campaign is going to be a regular email. Now MailChimp, we're going to give this email a title. We're then going to click Save. We're then going to determine who's going to receive the emails. Now in the case of MailChimp, we're going to choose a specific audience or list. Once we do that, if we're going to send email to a specific segment of tagged individuals, we can determine that tag at the very beginning. If we're going to unsegment the tag, we can say that we're going to send the email to all subscribers. Now in MailChimp, what we can do is personalize the to field, and we can merge in a way of making sure that the individual's name appears in the area that indicates who the email is being written to. Of course, we can turn this segment off. We're then going to determine who the email is going to be from. In most cases, we will use our domain and email address. We're then going to add a subject of the email. MailChimp gives us the ability to write in text that the individual will be able to see at a glance when they are looking at their email. And we're then going to click Save. We will then go through the design process. We will then write out our email. Once we've written out our email, we can then click Continue. What we're now going to do in MailChimp is we're going to set an automation. And what that means then is creating a customer journey. And we're going to write in a journey name that we will be able to see, but our customer will not be able to see. We're then going to click Start a Journey. We're then going to choose a specific path as to how an individual is going to be added. Now in this case, we can start the process by saying that whenever a tag is applied to an individual, this will start the process. And we're going to choose one of our existing tags. We're then going to click Save Starting Point. We're then going to click the first event. We're going to make that first event an email that's going to be sent. We're then going to click inside of the properties of that email. We're then going to click Continue. We're then going to use a previous campaign. We're then going to select a draft email, and we're then going to select the email that we just wrote. We're then going to save the email and return to the journey. And so now basically what we've done is we've made it so that when an individual comes into our email marketing list and they have been given a certain tag, we're going to have that individual sent a specific email that we have already written. Now, in the next video, we are going to pick it up from here and work through the automation process. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.